Have you ever thought about starting your own blog? The idea might seem daunting at first, but rest assured, it's not as complicated as it seems. Today, we'll unravel this mystery and simplify the process into easy-to-follow steps. Imagine having a platform where you can share your thoughts, experiences, and expertise with the world. A place that's uniquely yours. That's what a blog can offer. Step 1. Find your niche. What are you passionate about? What's that one topic you could talk about for hours without getting bored? That's your niche. It could be anything from food, travel, fashion, technology, to personal experiences. Choosing a niche is crucial as it gives your blog focus and direction. Step 2. Choose a blogging platform. There are several options available, such as WordPress, Blogger, and Medium. Each platform has its own set of features and benefits. Take some time to research and choose the one that suits your needs the best. Step 3. Choose a domain name. This will be your blog's address on the internet. It should be unique, easy to remember, and ideally reflect the theme or niche of your blog. Step 4. Design your blog. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Choose a theme that resonates with your style and the tone of your blog. Remember, aesthetics matter. A well-designed blog is more likely to attract and retain readers. Step 5. Start creating content. This is the heart and soul of your blog. Write about your passions, share your insights, and tell your stories. Be authentic and genuine. This will help you connect with your readers on a deeper level. Step 6. Promote your blog. Share your posts on social media, collaborate with other bloggers, and use SEO tactics to increase visibility. The more people who know about your blog, the more readers you'll have. Starting a blog is not just about writing. It's about sharing a part of yourself with the world. It's about connecting with people who share your interests. It's about learning, growing, and making a difference. So why wait? Start your blogging journey today. Remember, every great blog started with a single post. Yours could be the next. Take these steps, put them into action, and watch as your blog blossoms into a thriving online community. You have within you everything it takes to start a successful blog. Believe in yourself, and the rest will follow.